Hello guys and welcome back to Crypto Hasi. For today's video, we are going to talk about GOTD. But before that, let me remind you that this is not a financial advice. This is for entertainment only and reviewing purposes. Do your own research and invest what you can afford to lose always. So without further ado, let's get into it. Okay, so here it is. GOTD First License DLTT Protocol for P2P Netting. So guaranteed of the deal powered by a real network across 20 plus countries with 50 plus active hubs and 25 millions in daily transactions. Legal compliance, rapid settlement, global reach. To apply on this testing phase, just click this one. Okay. You just need to put this username, Hasi, something like that. Company name. Country, Philippines. Loyalty. Let's try Philippines too. Main website, Telegram, Crypto Hasi. Okay, Crypto Hasi, same. Okay, and the email, a dummy Gmail will better. Okay, and your salary 50k next, and wait for the code on your Gmail. Okay, right here you are seeing my spam folder here. The code has been sent on my spam folder. Just keep in mind, if you don't see the code here at your inbox, you can try opening your spam folder. Just copy this one, okay, and go back here and paste the code and choose whatever currency you want. Okay, and then next, USD only, USDC. Yes, next. Okay, yes, and yes, of course. Okay, as simple as that. So your application has been accepted. Our specialist will contact you on the Telegram, clarify your details, and provide access to the latest version of the platform. So thank you for helping us build the future of financial done settlement. Okay, so this is the GOTD, guys. Instant counterparty search with matching flows, maximum protection of deals through escrow, reduced fees on conversions, simplified KYC without unnecessary bureaucracy, who the platform is for. So join the closed testing and become part of the GOTD network. So the hubs, we invite exchange, fintech companies, and operators in different jurisdictions to participate in closed testing. Regional representatives, if you have administrative resource in a country, can think broadly about the market and can organize hub operation in the region. So we want to meet you. So we're ready to share our expertise and provide working platform, legal support, experience from dozens of countries where the network already operates, access to global network of financial operation. Okay? So about us, so the team behind these applications is since early 2014, our team has been engaged in financial logistics, relocating liquidity between countries, exchanging fiat and cryptocurrency. Today, guys, I've searched about this GOTD and I've learned from investing.com, guys, that they have posts here about GOTD, the global rolls out machine learning netting engine to optimize multi-party transaction. So Dubai UAE GOTD Blockchain Labs FZCO has launched its machine learning netting engine, a breakthrough P2P netting protocol designed to automate and optimize complex multi-party transaction. This innovation marks a major milestone in the company's mission to redefine global finance through a cross-border settlement platform. Also here at the bar chart, GOTD announced strategic shift empowering peer-based settlement solution for leading organization. Okay, the end of traditional cross-border friction. Because how GOTD Global reinvest settlements? At its core, GOTD Global introduced a multilateral P2P netting model. So powered by blockchain and machine learning. So traditional method settle on payment at a time. GOTD aggregates multiple obligation across participant and nets them into a single optimized transaction, guys. Okay? So bridging here at Tech Bullion, guys, also they have a post about GOTDs, bridging financial borders with GOTD's global payment network. Network redefines global settlement, transparency, and trust through escrow compliance built into the core and the economic edge of efficiency that scales. Okay, so that's the GOTD, guys. And their token called GOTD token, guys. Okay, they have a utility token created to ensure transparency and trust transactions on the GOTD.global platform. They have escrow guaranteed token is locked during the transaction and ensure obligation of fulfillment. Liquidity confirmation have stakes tokens confirming the availability of real reserves. Unified network tools, the token works in all GOTD presents countries connecting local hubs into a global system. So fraud protection in case of dispute, frozen tokens are used for compensation. So the token GOTD were created, the GOTD token utility tools designed to ensure transparency and trust transaction. The key token function, escrow guaranteed, liquidity confirmation, fraud protection, unified network tools, and the importance to know about this GOTD, the token is not a payment method, guys. So keep that in mind. So it keys role is to ensure trust, security, and fairness for all platform participants. So the token value is determined by the market and directly depends on a GOTD networks. Development, the more active transaction and participant, the higher the token demand. Okay, so how it works? AI matching, instant counterparty search with matching of flows. So they have a registration and KYC, and then it will go to liquidity confirmation, counterparty matching, and then transaction escrow, and then the settlements after obligation fulfillment escrow is unlocked. And the last one will be the fraud protection. In case of terms violation, frozen tokens are used to compensate the affected party, guys. So very secure platforms. You're ready to pay for liquidity in another country or city and almost always at this very moment. So GOTD Global finds this invisible thread and connects you. So from chaotic search to smart netting without GOTD, manual counterparty search, high intermediate fees, non-execution risks. Okay, sometimes direct counterflow impossible to find. In this case, system builds multilateral chains. Example of three-party deals. So company A, Poland owes company B, US can owes company C, Turkey owes company A, Poland in zloty. So for three separate expensive international transfers. Okay, so with GOTD one's fast deal with saving up to 90%, guys. And also for investors, invest in future of global settlements, early token access, fixed price into 0.50 USD license SAFT. SAFT for accredited investor, legal standard for early stages, working platform, 50 plus hubs and daily deals in 20 plus countries, team with experience, created payment system in CIS, EU, and Asia. So created next generation financial structures, SAF opportunity to enter projects before its exit to open market, guys. Okay, so become the strategy partner or GOTD Global presentation. Again, guys, this is CryptoHasi. If you want to learn more about this GOTD, don't forget to apply on their application here to get access on the testing, guys. The link is also on my description down below. If you want to subscribe to my channel, please subscribe and like this video. Again, this is CryptoHasi. Bye-bye.